Imagine a Navy fighter whose entire wing tilts up so that the pilot can see the deck on landing. Meet the Vought F-8 Crusader, a carrier legend with tricks that nobody saw coming. Drawing on Vaught's sketch pads in 1952, the F-8 ditched tradition and delivered a variable-incidence wing, titanium bones, all-moving tail, and an engine that shoved it past Mach 1.8. In 1956, it became the first US fighter to smash 1,000 miles per hour on level flight. 4 Colt 20mm cannons earned the Crusader the nickname Last of the Gunfighters. Missiles came later, but the Navy wanted a jet that could dogfight first. In October 1962, unarmed RF-8s skimmed Cuban treetops, snapping proof that Soviet missiles were on the island. No satellite, no drone, just guts and cameras at 480 knots. In the Vietnam War, the Crusader tangled with MiG-17s and MiG-21s, delivering the US Navy's best kill ratio of the war, 19-3. Pilots loved its turning fight, but loathed its habit of biting rookies on carrier recovery. France needed a slim fighter for their carriers Clemenceau and Foch, so 42 uprated Crusaders guarded the Mediterranean for 3 decades. The Philippines grabbed ex-Navy airframes for air defense patrols, and one even cameoed in the film 13 Days. NASA converted 2 Crusaders to test digital fly-by-wire and the supercritical wing, paving the runway for every modern airliner's flight computer. From gun kills to spy photos to space-age research, the F-8 Crusader proved one thing: sometimes the wildest ideas keep you flying the longest.